Now, damaged banknotes, including burnt ones, can be replaced if at least 3/4 of the bill is intact. According to the Bank of Korea, $1.92 billion worth of damaged bills and coins were discarded by the bank in the first half of this year, up to 1.5% from the previous 6 months. Of them, around 39.5% were damaged due to improper storage, 39.1% due to careless handling, and slightly over 21% due to burns. The central bank replaces damaged currency to the full amount if at least 3/4 of the bill is intact, and to half the amount if at least 2/5 of the bill is intact. If the currency is burnt, the parts covered in ashes also count as intact, so rather than brushing the ashes off, it's best to bring the bills to the bank as they are.